Look at this mess. Look at all the rust embedded in this wall. And the scratch marks up and down. I had no idea. Let's see what lurks in cylinder number 2. Think this one's going to be as bad as the front one? Let me know in the comments. Exhaust valve looks like garbage too. Let's look inside. Yeah, it's crusty. It's going to get a good port and polish. Damn. Yeah, I'll show you this one. It's probably wrap this video up. Try to keep it short. Cylinder walls look bad. I can't believe that. I was just riding this bike a month ago, but I never tore into the engine. But I have now. If you're still watching, I appreciate it. And we're going to get it taken care of. Check back with me and we'll see what kind of progress we made next.